Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to grammar class. Today we will read personal pronoun. Your book page 33 and 34. Personal pronoun means in Bengali ব্যক্তিবাচক সর্বনাম ব্যক্তিবাচক সর্বনাম Personal pronoun indicates the person or thing. The definition is personal pronoun is used in place of person or thing. In place of means পরিবর্তে person means ব্যক্তি thing means বস্তু সো যে সকল প্রোনাউন কোনো ব্যক্তি বা বস্তুর পরিবর্তে ব্যবহৃত হয় তাকে পার্সোনাল প্রোনাউন বলে Look at the example. Rifat is a good boy. Rifat goes to school every day. But it is better to avoid the repetition of the person Rifat. Rifat, look at Rifat is a person. In place of person Rifat, we can use he. Rifat is a good boy. He goes to school every day. As Rifat is a boy, so we use he. Tuni is a student. She reads in class 4. Look at Tuni is a person. In place of person Tuni, we can use she, as Tuni is a girl. The book has been taken from the library. It is a new one. The book is a thing. In place of the thing book, we use it. We use it. So, personal pronoun is used in place of person or thing. As pronoun, we use I, we, you, he, she, they for person. For person, we use pronoun I, we, you, he, she, they. And it, pronoun it, we use for thing and animal. For thing and animal, we use it. Look at here, students. I, we, you, he, she, they. These pronouns usually are used as subject. So, this subject also have object and possessive form. Possessive means somebody belongs to something, or we can tell own, such as if I say my book, that means I am the owner of the book. So, from I, we get object me and possessive form my, mine. I means ami, me means amake, and possessive form my, mine. From subject we get us and ours. So we means আমরা, us আমাদেরকে, our আমাদের, you তুমি, from you we get object you means তোমাকে, and possessive form yours means তোমাদের, he means সে, him তাকে, his তার, she means সে, her তাকে, hers, they তাহারা বা তারা, them তাদেরকে, and possessive form theirs. So I, me, my, mine, we, us, ours, you, yours, he, him, his, she, her, hers, they, them, theirs. All these are personal pronouns. You must remember all these are personal pronouns. But look at here, the possessive form my, our, your, his, her, their. These pronouns usually take a noun after them and they act as adjectives. So they are called pronominal adjectives, as they pronounce but act as adjectives. So they are called pronominal adjectives. Look at the example. My brother has lost his pen. Look at my sits before noun. You have already read noun. So brother, it is noun. So my pronoun sits before noun, brother, and tells something more about the brother. So acts as adjective. And his pen, his sits before noun, so acts as adjective. So to find out pronoun, we must not find out pronominal adjectives as pronoun, because pronominal adjectives are the kinds of adjectives. They are not the kinds of pronouns. This is our home. Our sits before noun. So our pronominal adjectives, not pronoun. Open your book. Your sits before noun. So your pronominal adjective. To find out pronoun, we will not find out pronominal adjectives as pronoun. Exercise, find out pronoun. You have to find out pronouns. Question is to find out pronouns. You will not write down personal pronouns. Just write down pronoun. Look at here. One has been done for you. She took my pen. Here, which one is pronoun? She. So you have to write down she hyphen pronoun. She pronoun. And look at here, my, it is not pronoun. It is what? It is pronominal adjective. So we will not find out pronominal adjective in pronoun. And do others. This is your HW. Very important to remember, write pronoun, not personal pronoun. To find out pronoun, you have to just write down pronoun, not personal pronoun. And do not identify pronominal adjectives in pronoun. Pronominal adjectives sit before nouns. You must remember it. Pronominal adjectives sit before nouns. Do not forget it. I hope you must remember it. Pronominal adjectives sit before nouns. Okay, thank you students. Today up to this. May Allah bless you.